thanks for coming back to Busy Girl Fitness. It's the weekend. Do you know what that means? It means cocktail time. I love cocktails and I can't wait to share my favorite cocktail recipe with you. And you're gonna like flip when I tell you it's only a little over 100 calories. Okay, so are you ready to get started? What I use is this EFFEN vodka. And I laugh every time I say it, like EFFEN vodka. My favorite flavor is the raspberry. My favorite drink, I should probably back up a little bit, is a Moscow Mule. And I love them in the copper mug. And so that's what I'm gonna share with you today, a raspberry mule. So we're gonna start with the EFFEN vodka. I just like to say it because that's funny. And then if you want just a little bit more sweetness, you would add some raspberry syrup. But this is where your calories are gonna come in. So I choose to eliminate this for myself, but when I make it for my friends and my husband, I do add the syrup because it will make it a little bit more flavorful, a little bit sweeter, but it's also gonna give you the calories and sugar. So us busy girls, we're gonna do without, but when we're serving to our guests, they get it. And then this is my favorite diet ginger beer. It's only 25 calories per bottle, and we're only gonna use just a little bit of it. And the other thing we need is a fresh lime. So are you ready to get started? Okay, so these are my favorite ice cubes. We got them from my mother for Christmas, and they're like so stinking cool. Have you seen the round ice cubes before? They like keep your drink cold, whatever. So we're just gonna go ahead and start by putting ice in our copper mule mugs. And then we're gonna add a little bit of lime. So I like to kind of squeeze it first to make it nice and juicy so that when I cut it in half, I can get the lime out really easily. I am actually gonna put the entire lime in the mule mug as soon as I feel like I get it pretty good and squeezed. And I did wash my hands in case you're wondering. So I picked up this brand new bottle of EFFEN vodka for us today. I used the last of it last week when we were traveling, visiting colleges. I brought it to the hotel rooms with us to have a night cap before bed. And it was really good just with water. It actually only has 95 calories per shot. And so like, I think that's pretty darn good, especially when you mix it with water, but you're gonna love this even more. So I'm not very good at measuring. It would be one shot. I could get a shot glass, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pour. So now we have the lime and the vodka. If you're making it for a guest, you're gonna go ahead and add some of this syrup and stir that in. Now I'm gonna add our ginger beer, and I really like this one. It's not too sweet and it's not bitter, and I think that's why I like it so much. I've tried a lot of ginger beers, and this one is most definitely my favorite. It's a little bit hard to find. If you're in the Midwest, I'm able to find it at both Target and Fairway. So here we are, girls. Here is our EFFEN Raspberry Mule. Cheers. Today was like really fun for me because I like being in the kitchen. I love the weekend, and I especially love sharing some of my favorite recipes with you. I hope that you are enjoying the food, the workouts, and just the support of one another. You are all just the greatest, and I have so enjoyed getting to know some of you through social media and through the YouTube channel, and I love your feedback. I'm loving for you to reach out and let me know what kind of workouts you'd like to see, what kind of food you'd like to see, and what some of your favorite things are. Busy girls, I'll see you next week.